Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome to the weekend. So today I wanted to share with you guys just a little fun idea for your Saturday or even your Sunday or even throughout the week. So guys, I don't know about you, but it's been a week. So it's time for some self-care. So I wanted to share with you just a few of the items that I'm going to do today, and hopefully it'll encourage you to take care of yourself, pamper yourself, love yourself. So I actually created this fun little self-care enjoy checklist for myself, as Saturday is usually my day to do what's fun, relax, Sabbath, unplug, exercise, pamper myself, all of that. So I created this form, so it's actually over on my website. I'll put the link down below, and it's also in the bio, just www.lisaheist.com. But I love this just because I work in healthcare and also just super busy and get stressed out. So I have to take care of myself. I don't know about you guys. Comment below, hit the like button if you can relate. Quick question. What do you guys do for self-care? How do you kind of fill that bucket back up after a hard week? So here is a few things that I've got on the list of just like exercise, yoga, breathing meditation, like a pamper session. I'm going to do like a little DIY nail time. So I can't wait for that. Maybe a little pedicure. I've got a little candle going, so I'll definitely do that. I'm going to do a little face mask and stuff like that. I've got some fun little crafts. I'm going to figure out, I'm going to go to the dollar store today and see what crafts I can make up today. So definitely some craft time. I actually created this. It's just like a little picture frame with a cute little saying. I did this a while ago, but that's just a fun little DIY dollar store idea for you guys. So let's see, what else do I have on the list? Just laughing, spending time outdoors. Oh my goodness, you guys, the leaves are beautiful right now. So if you guys can get outside, enjoy nature, spend time with friends and family, enjoy a great book. What books are you guys reading? I always love new book ideas. Comment below what you guys are reading right now. Meal bulk prep and eat balanced meals. Spend time with your pets. I have a sweet cat named Zoe, so I definitely love to just cuddle with her. So something that I actually love to do, and I actually got this at the dollar store, just because I mean, ink is expensive, you guys. Let's be real. Ink is expensive. So I actually just put this into this little quick sheet protector, and then on Saturdays I will just kind of go through and say, hey, what do I want to do for the my self-care Saturday or weekend and stuff like that. So I'll just kind of mark it off. I've got like exercise. I'm actually going to go do a exercise class pretty quickly, and then I'm going to probably detox from social media, usually the Saturday evenings, and Saturdays I try to kind of unplug a little bit, and definitely just have some time of relaxation. So a couple of things. I'm definitely going to get outdoors today. I know that. I'm going to do some creativity and craft time. I'm going to read a little bit later, spend time with my kitty cat, just a few things. And definitely cannot wait for this pamper session. So anyways, I've got the candle going, but I don't know, I just thought this is kind of fun. It's just like a quick little self-care enjoy checklist. We all need more joy right now. I don't know about you guys. So these are just a few things I'm going to do for this lovely Saturday. What are you guys up to for the weekend? How are you guys going to get outdoors or just fill your cup up, have some fun, joy, laughter? Comment below. Would love to hear from you. If you haven't followed on social media or my YouTube channel, check that out. It's just the Frugal Living Network, and my website for this form, which is www.lisaheist.com. Just click on the printables and it's all there. Anyways, guys, make it a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.